engineer. I did manual testing, automated testing, and exploratory testing. I also did framework testing and leveraged cutting-edge tools and few technologies. In the end, I compiled entire project reports. Let's quickly jump to the reports. Here I'm going to talk about an advanced topic in software engineering, the development of a quiz website using agile methodologies. Our team consisting of Siddharth, Milan, Dev, Surya, Pratik Kumar has worked tirelessly to bring the project to life. At the heart of our development process for the agile model, specifically the combination of Scrum and Kanban methodologies. We use Kanban to organize our work into sprints and address a backlog of requirements, while Kanban help us visualize project progress and track information using tools like Kanban Flow. To effectively manage our project, we relied on Jira software as our main project management and agile development tool. Jira software provides us with features like sprint planning, issue tracking, task management, and progress tracking. With the help of Jira Kanban board, we were able to monitor the progress of our task and ensure efficient workflow management. In addition to Scrum and Kanban, we also incorporated the elements of extreme programming into our project. Throughout our development process, we leveraged the power of GitHub has our version control system. GitHub allows us to collaborate effectively, manage code, and ensure version control. We followed a branching and merging procedure, creating separate branches for each task and merging them with the master's branch upon completion. Our team worked collaboratively with each member talking on specific role and responsibility. We utilized pair programming practices, code reviews, and constant communication to ensure the quality and accuracy of our work. We faced technical challenges along the way, but our proficiency in coding and problem solving enabled us to overcome them. We produced multiple versions of our software, each incorporating HTML, CSS, JavaScript to deliver seamless user experience. We started with the basic quiz app in version 1.0 and gradually evolved to more advanced version, integrating features like time limits, random question, and backend API integration. Output of backend API integration. This is the code.
Thank you. Present your quiz application built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's dive into the details. The quiz application starts with the visual appealing interface featuring a start quiz button. Upon clicking the quiz button, users are introduced to the rules of the quiz through an information box. The rules include important guidelines such as the time limit per question, the inability to undo an answer, and the prohibition to exit the quiz once started. Once the user is familiar with the rules, the quiz box appears. It consists of a question selection where questions are dynamically loaded from the JavaScript file and an option list which display multiple choice options for each questions. The quiz box also features a timer showing the time remaining for each question. The timer adds an element of excitement and urgency to the quiz. As a user, I have only 15 seconds to answer each question. Upon selecting an answer, the chosen option is highlighted, providing immediate feedback to the user. If the user choose a correct answer, so it will marked as a tick icon, and if they choose incorrect answer, so it will marked as a cross icon. At the bottom of the quiz box, a user can see the question count and navigate to the text question using the next question button. Once the user complete the quiz, as a result of appears their performance, the result box include a crown icon to celebrate their achievement. The user is greeted with the message indicate the completion of the quiz followed by their score, and they have an option to replay the quiz or quit the application.
Hello, my name is Pratik. As a website designer, I use CSS and JavaScript to develop the website. I designed version 2 and 3 of the website using Figma wireframes and collaborate with the backend developer for efficient implementation. In version 3, I faced the challenges of integrating APIs and enhancing existing features. As Shreya has described in version 2, version 3 retained the same core features with several notable improvements. Allow me to give you a glimpse of the updated website. And here, let me go live here. So, in the version 3 of the application, we have introduced some existing new features to enhance the user experience during the quiz. Now, user can view the score in real time while selecting answer additionally, and the number of remaining questions will be displayed, keeping user informed about their progress. To add an element of a surprise and variety, the question will be now appear randomly each time a new quiz is started. At the end of the quiz, we have implemented a feature where user will be promoted to enter the name, and this allows us to store the names and associated highest score of players. Following, the highest score achieved by a player will be displayed at the end of each quiz if it's remained the highest. Okay, this creates a sense of accomplishment and encourage user to improve their performance in the following attempts. So here we believe these the additional features will not only make the quiz more interactive but also provide a competitive edge by showing us the highest score attending by each players.
My name is Siddharth Dave. I was a Scrum Master of this project. My primary responsibility was to ensure the smooth and efficient execution of the project. This involves overseeing the entire development process from planning and organizing tasks to tracking progress and facilitating collaborations. GitHub became the backbone of our development workflow, enabling us to manage our source codes and also collaborate on code review and maintaining a clear version and control system. With the GitHub, we could create a repositories like a version 1, version 2. I made this repository for my team to so that they can upload their different version and we can track by different branches. Let me show you like this. And with GitHub allowing each team member to work on their assigned task seamlessly, the platform offered a wide range of features such as issue tracking, like this pull request, branch management, which facilitated our agile development approach, collaborating on code becoming a breeze as a team member could review and provide a feedback on each other, right? However, managing a project is not solely about code. It's involved coordinating efforts, tracking progress, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This is where Jira software came in action. So it plays a crucial role during our development. Jira serves as our project management tool, providing us with a comprehensive platform to plan, track, and report on our project progress. Through Jira, I could create and manage user stories like in a uh, backlog. I create a sprint for the different users so that they can start working on it and I can track their progress. Similarly, assigning a task to a different team member and monitoring their progress. The built-in agile board such as Scrum and Kanban allowed us to visualize the project's status and ensure a smooth flow of work like this one. Workflow diagram, ensuring that we met our project objective within the design time frame. So furthermore, Jira's reporting and analyzing capability provided valuable insight into our team's performance and project metrics. We could generate burn down and charts, velocity report, and our metrics to assess our progress and make a data-driven decision. This allows us to develop and optimize our development process continuously. So this is my part of work. Thank you very much.
Hello, myself Milan Bhanushali. I have developed the backend side of quiz website using MongoDB, Node.js, and Express. I have created APIs and deployed that API in Railway.app platform. I have integrated that API with the front end. I have tested the server side of website for bugs and error. I have done debugging for the front end and back end. So initially, let me show you my Visual Studio code for my backend. Here I made two API. One is for testing purpose and another is for live. Now I will take you towards my live API. Question text, option and correct index. For checking purpose, I used Postman. Now let me show you towards my GitHub desktop. We use this as it is easy to check changes of other teammates and it is easy to push and pull request. Now when my task is under progress or is it done, then in Jira I mentioned that whether the task is progress or done. Thank you.